What's up guys, and welcome back for another video. We're going to be doing something a tad bit different today. I'm going to be doing some electronical unboxing. Going to be unboxing the new iPhone 10 as well as a MacBook Pro that I got for Black Friday for a hell of a deal. Finally replacing my old iPhone 6 that I've had for 3 years now. I mean, it's still a good phone, but just no memory on it. So we decided to go for the iPhone 10 with a 256GB one. And I've already opened the box. I had to go to Verizon and losing stuff over here. And set it up. Here it is. Ew, that's some terrible glare right there. It looks pretty dang nice, if I must say. I've already played with it some. Nothing too much fancier than the 6, I believe. Someone disagree. Of course, I got my new headphones since Apple decided not to bring the headphone jacks back. And I guess we'll go ahead and get started on the MacBook. Got a receipt. Some plastic baggies. And a box within a box. And more stuff to cut. Oh, never mind. They made it easy. Look at that. That's it. So we got a MacBook Pro 15-inch. I wanted the dark gray, but the silver one was cheaper, and decided to go with that. Well, let me show you guys that real quick before I completely open it. Sorry about my nose, guys. Just got over a cold. Hope I don't sound too funny. And there's the MacBook. And some plastic. There we go. Gotta make everything so dang wrapped up. There it is again. Comes with the charger and all that. I don't think you guys want to see that. But hopefully with this I'll be able to be posting videos more often now that I actually have something to post on, since I was borrowing somebody else's. Hey, wait. Turns on by itself. Look at that. Interesting. So, oh crap. Guess we'll use English for the main language. Let's see what else we got in here. Instructions, cables, charger, and that's it. Okay. Well, it's a 15.4 inch screen, 256. No, it's a 16 gig. My bad.
macOS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver.
Shush, shush,
If you
shush.
know how to use VoiceOver, press the command key.
Shush.
Press Touch ID 3 times.
Goodness. We're just gonna shut you down. Making too much noise. Alright, so it's a 16 gig, 512 hard drive. Yeah. PCLE solid state drive. And it's a 2.7 gigahertz quad core i7. I figured it'd be a decent choice for what I'm trying to do. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll probably be posting something else pretty dang soon. See you guys in the next one.